Okay, for number 3, we simply are converting from one measure to another. There are two ways we can do this. The first way, we can actually set this up. So for A, we have 3,200 millimeters, and we're going to go ahead and go to meters. So millimeters to meters, and millimeters on the bottom to cancel. Meter is larger. There are 1,000 millimeters. So we can go ahead and cancel the millimeters, and we get 3,200 over 1,000. We can actually cancel the zeros. Once again, this went to our answer. So 32 divided by 10. So 32 divided by 10, decimal point always goes at the end, is going to be 3.2 meters for our answer. Another thing we can do with this is we can use our conversions. And we can take this right here and we can use meters, and then we're going to have decimeters, then centimeters, then millimeters. We can also have here decameters, then hectometers, and our kilometers or kilometers. So we can say we can take our 3,200, we can say we're starting at millimeters, which is here, and we're going to meters. So basically we're going back 1, 2, 3 places. So we can just take our decimal point and move it 1, 2, 3 places and get 3.2. So it's going to be 3.2 meters. Then for the next one, we can go ahead and take, and we're going to have 0.07 kilometers, and we're going to go to meters, and so if we do that, once again, we have 0.07 kilometers, and we're going to go to meters. So we're starting at kilometers, and we're going to meters. So we're going 3 places to the right. So we can move our decimal point 3 places to the right, and we get 70 meters. We can also take 0.07 over 1. That's kilometers. Conversion factor, kilometers on the bottom to cancel. Meters on the top, because that's what we're going to. And kilometer is larger by 1,000. So we're going to multiply 0.7 times 1,000, and our answer is going to be 70. Okay? So we cancel those, and then denominator of 1, and then 0.7 times 1,000 is going to end up being 70 over 1. And meters becomes our answer. For the next one, we have 24 decameters, and we're going to hectometers. So we're starting at decameters here, and we're going to hectometers. So we're going just one space that way. So we have 24, and we're going to go one space backwards. So therefore, our decimal point always goes at the end after the ones place, and now it moves in there. So we get 2.4. Now, if we were going to do this with conversion factors, we would actually almost need to go from 24 decameters to meters, go to the base unit, and then go to hectometers. And then, of course, the decameters here to cancel, and then, of course, our meters here to cancel. So we always cancel what is opposite there. So, of course, decameter is larger by 10, and then hectometer is larger by 100. So we would then cancel, decameters cancel, meters cancel, and actually this would cancel to 1, and this would cancel to 10. So we would end up with, at the top, 24 times 1 times 1, which is 24. And then as our denominator, 1 times 1 times 10 is 10. And 24 divided by 10 is 2.4. For our next one, we have 423,000 that we're going to excuse me, 423 centimeters, and we're going to meters. So we're starting at centimeters here, and we're going to meters. So we're going backwards 2 spaces. So 423, decimal point at the end, backward 2 spaces, 4.23. And once again, we could always do this with our conversion factors. 423 centimeters over 1 times, and we know centimeters goes on the bottom because it's being canceled, and meters on the top because that's what's going to go into our answer here. And then a meter is larger, and the number that goes with meter and centimeter, cents is 100, 100 years in a century, and 100 cents in a dollar. Then we can cancel centimeters. So the numerators, 423 times 1, 423, and then 1 times 100 is 100. And 423 divided by 100 is 4.23.